Hey friends, welcome to Dollhouse Diaries. Today we're going to be unboxing this Joanna Gaines Barbie doll. She is part of the Barbie collection from Mattel. So I really don't know much about her except that when I went shopping with my husband, we actually came across a few of these that were on clearance right after the Christmas holiday. So I would say about a week, maybe 10 days after Christmas, my husband and I went to Target just to look around and grab a couple of things that we needed. And when we went to the toy section, he found this Barbie doll and thought this would make a great addition to my collection. And I agree, I think she's pretty cool. So we're going to unbox her and just have a look at everything she has. Okay, so here she is out of the box. First thing I wanted to address is I really don't know much about Barbies as far as their face sculpts or their history or anything like that. I'm pretty new to collecting dolls, and to be honest, I only have maybe 5 dolls that I've collected recently. So like I said, I'm pretty new. If you have seen my previous videos, you will see that I did an unboxing for the Juan Gabriel doll, as well as the Muscle Ken, the Looks Barbie number 18. So if you haven't, I'll post those in the description box below. But as far as this Joanna Gaines doll, she is very pretty, I have to say. I absolutely love her hair. She has very long hair that goes beyond the waist. I thought that was really pretty. She comes with these sunglasses that I have them currently attached to her head because I just wanted to show you really quickly what it looks like. It is attached to her head. I'm trying to see if I can get it off, but I think it's tied down. Yep, it's got these little ties on the side, so I can definitely remove it when I want to. She also has these really pretty blue earrings, and I think they can come out. So we'll test that out now. No, it seems to be attached. I'm having a hard time getting it out. So here she is out of the box. This is what she's currently wearing. She came with these little white slippers or slides. I'm not too sure what they're called. And she came with these light blue jeans with little pockets. I don't think they're real. I think it's just stitching to make them look like pockets. She is articulated, meaning she moves her joints very well. Her hands and her feet are not articulated. That's the only thing I notice, is her feet do not move, but her knees do bend a little bit. She does bend here at the waist. Her hands and her wrist, or I should say her arm and her wrist, and her head does move around. She has very, very long dark brown hair, and it has a little bit of a curl to the bottom, and it is attached here at the shoulder, but you can just snip off the attachment here, the rubber band, and you can easily take her hair and style it up or do like different hairstyles to her. She also has these sunglasses that are attached to her hair right now. I haven't snipped it off yet, as well as these little earrings. And she also comes with these skates here. I'll just show you really quickly. So these little skates here are not movable. So let me just see if I can focus on that real quick. So as I was saying, these little skates do not move. They're just kind of one solid look, but they're really adorable. And I'll put them on her really quickly just so you can see what they look like on her. So this is what the skates look like on her. They're really cute. She is flat-footed, which I forgot to mention earlier, if you notice. She also comes with this t-shirt that says 1978, as well as this what looks like a flannel top. So I can quickly put this on her to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here she is with the flannel shirt on. It has a small little pocket here, and it does not have any Velcro, any closure, so it stays open. It does have these little, what looks like buttons, but they're like more like just decorative. They don't really have any function to them. And I was able to undo her hair from her sleeve, as well as remove the sunglasses from the top of her head and placed it on her face. And as you can see here with the sunglasses on, you can see her eyes, but she still looks pretty cool. I think overall she does look really cool, and I do love her look a lot, and I can't wait to use her in my storyboards. She is an amazing looking doll. The only thing is that she did not come with a stand. Other than that, she is a great doll to have, especially for the fact that I got her on clearance over at Target. So I will post a link to Barbie, or rather Joanna Gaines Barbie from Target, and see if you can also score them on sale. The clearance sale might have been overdone with, but you can still definitely get these dolls there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, make sure to subscribe so you can see future videos that I'm posting, like the fact that I am going to be unboxing this mini brands here, as well as working on my Barbie's kitchen diorama. So until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.